Hey scholars, I just wanted to review the difference between the greatest common factor and the least common multiple because I noticed in class the other day when we did GCF we got it, and when we did LCM on Thursday the other day we got a little confused. So I wanted to clarify that up for you. So what I did is I created a quick little video for you. So I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you the difference. So, okay. When we are talking about finding the greatest common factor, which is on the left, where my cursor is, when you see the word greatest common factor, immediately you need to think of the words greatest, maximum, and most. And when you find the greatest common factor, what you're going to do is you're going to list all the factors of the number. So let's look at my friend 6 and 12. We want to find the greatest common factor of 6 and 12. So what we do is for 6, we want to list all the factors in order from least, which is the smallest, to greatest, which is the largest. So let's start with 6. We know that 1 times 6 is 6, and we know that 2 times 3 is 6. Those are the only factors that make up 6. Let's look at 12 in orange. Well, to get to 12, we know we have to multiply 1 times 12 is 12. We know that 2 times 6 equals 12, and 3 times 4 equals 12. Now that we listed the factors, we're going to look at what's in common in both. Both 6 and 12 have a 1, they both have a 2, they both have a 3, and they both have a 6. The greatest factor that is shared between 6 and 12 is 6. Therefore, that is the greatest common factor, or we call that the GCF. Let's look at now the least common multiple. When we see the word least common multiple, also known as LCM, we think the least or the smallest, and we're going to skip count, which means we write down all the multiples, which are the products. So let's look at finding the LCM of 5 and 10. So we're going to list all the multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20. We're going to list all the multiples of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40. Now let's look at the purple and the pink, and we notice that both 5 and 10 have 20 in common. Therefore, that is the least common multiple, which is the smallest number. And I hope that this has helped you.